how to join a meetup group. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you will learn how you can join a meetup group. So joining a meetup group is a great way to connect with friends, with people who share your interest, and this is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your meetup account, just like I've done here. And then once you are logged in, move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see some icons such as home, connections, explore, notifications, message. Ensure you click on explore. Then you'll be brought to the explore page where you can now go ahead and use the search bar to find groups based on your interest and location. So by clicking on the search bar, you can see the different interests available. So you can just click on the category um, where you would like to find groups. So after selecting the category, you can see the different groups that are available. So select the one that you would like to choose. And after selecting a particular group, you can see that they have an event coming up. And so once you can see this event, the next step would be for you to move to the bottom right corner of the screen and click on join and reserve. Okay, so once you've done that, you can see that you've joined the group already, and you've also make a reservation for yourself for the particular event. So as you can see, that is it. You can just go back and continue with whatever you're doing, and you can also check out the group by clicking on the profile picture to see details about the event, to see the details about those attending. And by going back to your own page, you would see that you are now a member of the group. So by going back to your own page and loads, you would see groups you're in, and you will see that that particular group is part of them. So as you can see, financial modeling and valuation. So this is it. This is how you can join a group on Meets Up. Thank you for watching and have a good day.